Good morning. It's 10:25 a.m. Eastern Time, and it's a quick one for you today. We got XRP on the daily chart, and you can see from the high we have this descending wedge, descending triangle, whatever you want to call it, that we broke down from this crash. Then we tested that wedge, couldn't quite get back into it. So until we are able to clear this zone in the 260s and this downtrend line, I'm just going to be sitting on my hands with XRP. But what I did just notice, I looked at the dominance chart and see, okay, we had this descending wedge, crash, came back inside the wedge and couldn't quite break out above it. We wicked above it, and then we finally got this big impulse move and close above it. We've been consolidating since then. So now it's in this rising channel. If you look at back in the summer, we dropped down, went sideways a while, and we had these little green candles building on top of each other, and finally we got a break. We were off to the races. So if something like that happens from here, let's see, looks like that. Good chance the next run up is coming, and I imagine that if that happens with the dominance chart, that it's going to coincide with the break of these resistances, and then we could be off to $4 in a couple of weeks or whatever. So that's pretty much it. Just checking back in on VTR. We gapped up today, but another high, and not really doing too much right now. So this is something I wanna hodl until I start getting indications that maybe the top is in. If we get something that looks like a trend reversal and start getting some lower lows, it starts rolling over. If we get big impulse move to the upside, I'll probably take a little bit of profit, just in case, that's the blow off top and it starts correcting right after that. So once again, I don't think this is going to see enormous gains in the short term. So, if we get a 10% move in a matter of hours, I'm taking that. So, alright, that does it. See you later.